Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into Babel Audio, a platform that's been making waves online for its immersive listening experience. But the big question is Babel Audio legit or is it just another scam? Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to expect before signing up. So, what exactly is Babel Audio? At its core, it's a platform designed to deliver high quality audio for all kinds of content. From music to podcasts and even language learning exercises, Babel Audio promises clear, crisp sound that's easy to enjoy. Its interface is sleek and user-friendly, making navigation a breeze even for beginners. Now, let's talk features. First, Babel Audio uses adaptive sound technology, which means your audio stays detailed and balanced across different genres. Whether you're listening to classical music or a fast-paced podcast, the sound adjusts to give you the best experience. Next, the platform offers customizable sound profiles. You can tweak the audio to match your preferences or the type of content you're consuming. This is especially handy if you're an audiophile who wants complete control over your listening experience. Another standout feature is integrated language courses. If you're learning a new language, Babel Audio includes specialized exercises that combine listening with interactive learning, making it more than just a typical audio platform. And finally, the intuitive design ensures the app is easy to navigate, with a modern, clean interface that anyone can pick up quickly. But it's not all perfect. One limitation is that Babel Audio's content library is somewhat limited compared to other platforms. If you're someone who likes having a huge variety of podcasts, audiobooks, or niche music genres, you might find the selection a bit restrictive. So, is Babel Audio a scam? Based on user reviews, transparency of the platform, and its operational features, Babel Audio is legit. There's no evidence of fraudulent activity, and the features it advertises do work as promised. However, it's important to note that while it's legitimate, the value you get may depend on how you plan to use it. If you're looking for a broad content library, you might feel limited. But if immersive audio and language learning are your goals, it delivers. In short, Babel Audio is a legit platform with some impressive features, especially for immersive audio experiences and language learning. Just keep in mind the limited content library when deciding if it's right for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech reviews, and comment below with your experience. Have you tried Babel Audio yet?